Ford is making some changes to the Explorer SUV's lineup for 2022, with a particular emphasis on the sporty street treatment. The Street Line appearance package is new for the base 4-cylinder model, while the V6-powered, full-bore Street is now available with rear-wheel drive. The Street Line starts at $45,845, while the RWD Street starts at $48,420, $2,000 lower than the Auto model. Like the similar package available on the Edge, the Street Line is meant to look like the 400-horsepower Street, but comes with the same 300-horsepower turbo 2.3-liter 4 and standard suspension setup as other base Explorers. It has 20-inch wheels, a black grille, different badges, and dual exhaust tips outside, and red stitching, and some other trim changes inside. The Explorer King Ranch and Platinum models get the Street S uprated twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 with 400 horsepower. They previously had a version of this engine with 365 horsepower. Two new colors joined the lineup, Stone Blue and Burgundy Velvet, and there are some other minor equipment changes. The base price for the 2022 Ford Explorer sits at $34,345. In addition to the aforementioned trim levels, the XLT Limited and off-road oriented Timberline models continue for the new model year. Ford says the 2022 Explorer will be reaching dealerships by the end of the year.